and welcome to the vlog. And it's another day, guys. It's another. We are talking about the rat kasi may nakapasok na daga sa bahay namin, guys, and nandoon sa CR. Grabe, so yung CR namin sa baba, nilock muna namin, and we are trying to find out we're trying to find ways kung paano namin siya papatayin. So yung breakfast natin for today, conching na bread, butter, may hotdog pa na tira from breakfast nila Sashi and Baba, and coffee, and great taste muscovado to, guys. Pero I did not put the entire sachet, half lang. Then I added what's that, blend 45 na instant coffee. So kain tayo. Hi friends, so nandito ako sa kwarto namin, and sorry sa makalat na background. Hindi ko pa na-fold yung mga damit dyan. Yan. But, I'm gonna do it later. So, may hinahanap ako, guys. I was looking for yun nga, yung sabi ko kanina, yung, binili ko na Fit Me na concealer and L'Oreal na gel eyeliner. And, yeah, yun yung hinahanap ko, and but instead of finding those, marami akong nahanap kasi I've been looking here sa box ko na nilalagyan ko ng mga stuffs that I bought na ang dami ko pa palang hindi nagamit. So here's my box full of stuff. Grabe, halo-halo na, and I found a lot. Grabe, may marami pa akong ganito na nail polish, guys. Yan, Dyan, and I still have a lot of brand new powders from Sharon, and I still have a brand new BB, and I also still have a brand new foundation from Express. Yan, and a lot of lashes. May marami pang tapos eto din, my Kylie. Oh my god, I totally forgot about this. Then my favorite eyelashes, grabe, and random brushes. Ang daming brushes dito, maliliit na brushes. Ayan, tapos dito yung sa FS. Tapos dito ang dami pa din, yung powder that I got. This is a Thailand brand na powder. I haven't tried this. It's a sample size. Grabe, ang dami pa pala. Oh gosh. Ayan. Tapos meron pa din itong blush from Peripera, and then this one. Ayan. And I have a ton of this. Nandun sa plastic dito. Oh my god. And then crazy. Tapos dito, guys, grabe, isang katutak na lashes pa rin. Yan. Oh gosh. Then nandito lang pala yung city colors ko na palette. Nahalo. I'm gonna separate that one. And then mas marami pa rin dito, guys. I still have this foot mask. Yan, more lashes. And then mga brush ko. Dami ko pala. Oh my god, and I also still have this one, yung pang Halloween na lashes. And a lot of brand new Helen Park powder. Oh my gosh. Wow. Meron pa pala akong ganito dito. Oh gosh. Yang marami pang Helen Park. Tapos ito yung petite brush from Etude House. Ano itong laman ito? It cannot open. It's open. Ayan. Oh my god. I still have this brush. Hindi ko pa nagagamit, guys. Oh my gosh. I don't know if I'm going to give this. Do I give away? Who wants to have this, guys? Yung petite brush ng I got this free from when I bought a lot of things from Etude House. Yeah, I got this for free. Ang dami. Have you remembered my Morphe palettes? Haven't used that much. I don't know. And then, while nagkakalkal ako, I found this. My ID from Rose Institute as a cosmetologist. Yan. My God. Look at my face. So, I wanted to sharpen my NYX Jumbo Pencil kasi ano, wala na talaga. And I tried yesterday pero hindi magkasya yung ano, yung lapis sa big na sharpener. But I found a new sharpener and I also watch yung sa YouTube or sa internet kung paano i-sharpen yung NYX Jumbo Pencil. And they say na kasi 'di ba creamy yung ano, yung pencil, yung mismong nasa inside ng pencil, yung basta yun. So, they said na dapat ilagay mo sa freezer and I totally forgot kahapon pa. Kahapon ko pa yun nilagay. I don't know if it had crack na sa sobrang anong tigas na guys. So, right now, I'm going to get it out of the freezer kasi nga, I forgot yesterday. Sana hindi siya nag-crack. So, ayan. Grabe. Tigas na tigas na sila guys. Hopefully, hindi nag-crack. So, yan pala yung kit ko. I'm checking again if I still need or missed some, you know, stuff na needed. Kasi I'm so OCD. I bring everything. Kahit ano, it always end up na hindi ko naman magagamit. But still, I bring everything kasi you'll never know what will happen, diba? So, I'm going to sharpen this NYX Jumbo Pencil kasi nga, yan oh. Ano na, konti na lang yung natira. So, here's my pencil. And I'm going to try to sharpen this. Grabe, ang lamig. Tingnan nyo, diba? Ang liit na. Hindi na siya, hindi na siya makapagsulat. So, hopefully, sana, magkasya siya, guys. Wish me luck. Oh! Hala! I'm so happy! Nagkasya siya, guys. Perfect. Kasi yung binili ko na sharpener, yung, dito lang, locally available. Hindi talaga siya magkasya. Ganyan lang, oh. But this one, yung nail art na sharpener. Oh my God, this makes me cry. Ayan. I'm going to successfully sharpen my NYX Jumbo. Yan. Oh my God, this is such a very happy moment. My God, si Miguel is so... Yan. Oh my God. Ayan. Freshly sharpened na siya. Yay, yay, yay. So today, I decided na I'm gonna do my makeup, guys. Dito. Yan. So, it was just a quick one and I mess up here kasi the eyeliner that I use is pangit. Yeah, it was so pangit and I just wanted to test it. Although I know na before na I don't like that eyeliner but I've used it anyway because I'm silly. I'm stupid. So yun, so I did not do any foundation. I only did what's that called, concealer. Yeah, and then I powdered my face and this is the KJM lip and cheek tint and I haven't applied pala any lipstick sa aking lips. Ayan, may bago na naman akong friend here. Meron na naman. So yeah, my face is almost raw. And yeah, it is looking so weird under my under eye. Here in my under eye. This is the reason why I always do my eye makeup first so that I could clean everything and then apply my base. Since today, I was lazy. I did concealer first and I did my face first before I did my eye. So this is what is happening. So this what happened, diba? But I'm not going anywhere, guys. I'm planning to go to SMC side and wala lang. I just felt like doing my makeup. So I did a greenish smoky eye. It's very easy. I just use 2 colors. Yan, it's very easy. Yun, because I'm lazy and yun na, napagod na ako sa after I did my face. I'm getting sweaty na. So, dito, mas kita niyo. Yan. Very simple. Wow, may nag-transfer pa doon. I hate this eyeliner talaga. I hate it. Yung favorite ko na local na eyeliner is from Malisakis, but since nasunog na yung nasunog yung Metro Ayala, I don't know where to get it kasi it's available sa Metro Ayala. Guys, finally we're home. Grabe, I'm so irritated already. Grabe, utering na yung eyes ko. Hindi ko na kaya, but before any move my eyelashes. Oh, isa lang. I saw something very interesting sa SM today. I've been really, thinking or wishing I've been wishing na sana may ganito. Kasi eto na lang yung kulang at perfect na siya. Grabe, dramatic. You wanna know, guys? Ano yun? Ting, chididing, ting, ting, chiding. Eto, guys. Grabe. Oo. May na. Etong yellow na to is yung Payless na Pancit Canton extra big na. Wait lang. Oh, you cannot see it. Oh my God. This is such a fail. Yan sweet and spicy flavor. Pareha sa sa Misidap or yung sa Lucky Me, di ba? May din sweet and spicy yun. When I see this, ang grabe, ang dami pa doon sa SM. When we saw this, we were like, what? Oh my gosh. I know it's kinda OA, but really, this is just our favorite Pancit Canton kasi malaki na siya and iba din yung taste. Masarap siya. Yan, I'm so excited to try this. Although, hindi ko pa talaga alam kung masarap ba to guys or not. But, sana masarap siya kasi I've been waiting a long time. I keep on wishing na sana may ganitong flavor na sweet and spicy from Payless. So, hopefully, masarap siya. And, I'm gonna cook one right now. And I also bought something from the makeup section sa SM store guys. Gabi, ito lang nabili ko. Tapos may libre pala akong bag nito. Makeup bag kaya medyo malaki siya. Ito yung makeup bag. Maganda naman. Yeah, for a minimum purchase of 1,000 pesos, may libre ka ng makeup bag. I thought that konti lang yung binili ko guys kasi wala. Hindi pwedeng mag-over budget. So, I was thinking konti lang talaga. And I need to buy yung things na I needed lang talaga. But when I went there, grabe, I saw something. Some makeup palette, eyeshadow palette pala from, makeup detail makeover. Ang ganda, guys. And so, mura. Yeah. If babalik ako doon, gonna save money para bumili ng detail makeover na eyeshadow kasi ang ganda. And on sale dun yung favorite eyeshadow ko from FS. Grabe. Mura-mura na lang. Oh my gosh. So, I never thought that I would spend 2,000 pesos on a very, very konti lang guys. Grabe, 2,000 na yung nawala. Medyo mahal na yung makeup. And I wasn't expecting kasi, yeah. But, all the things that I bought are just only the things that I really needed. So, yan. That's why we went to SM Seaside. So, yan. But what's really interesting is this one. So, I checked my eyes, guys. Hindi naman pala that bad. Ang pangit ng resolution. Ayan. Dito sa mirror. Okay naman, pero grabe. It's driving me crazy. And, nga pala guys, I also bought a new candle. Kasi diba, the other day, nabasag yung candle ko. And I was so sad kasi, yan na lang yung natira ng candle ko. So, bala ko na, I'm just going to buy a candle holder nito. But I bought a new candle kasi, when we got down from the escalator, yun sa taas, yung may, makeup section, nandun yung mga candles. Then may nakita ako na something interesting. At ang bango-bango niya, it's only 145 pesos, 49 pesos. Mura lang siya. And I got the lavender scent one. Yan. And I've been thinking I'll do a haul with all the things that I got. But not now kasi it's not that much pa. So I'm planning to buy more like I wanted to try the matte and poreless na concealer and yung ba yun? What's that called? foundation. And I think wala sila nung super stay na foundation. Gusto ko din matry yun. And yeah, I wanted to buy those things. Kaya ano lang, ipag-combine ko na lang sila if nabili ko na yung other mga makeup stuff. Yan. Then we'll do a haul. So for now, we'll not do a haul. So yun. And gutom na ako guys. I wanted to, kinuha ko lang to kasi paglagyan ko ng ano, soap. And I've been looking for like mga ganito yung sealer ng ano, yung sa cotton buds. Pero wala akong mahanap. I think I've thrown everything already. Yung nasa ano doon, maliit, hindi magkasya yung sabon. Ang init. My makeup is dying. So yan. So I guess kakain muna ako. Magluluto ako nung ano, pancit canton. I'm gonna show you how it tastes. Show you talaga. Guys, may bago palang release yung iPhone. iPhone or Apple. Ayan o, bago. Grabe, ngayon lang ako nakakita ng ganito. I think it's a new release. Ding, 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 ding. Stupid. Ano, ginawa kong, kasi I was looking for yung lalagyan ng sabon ko na gagamitin ko bukas, guys, panglinis ng sponge. And yun nga, hindi ako, di ba, makahanap ng yung may sealer na plastic. Tapos ito yung nakita ko. Fit na fit, di ba, oh? Bongga. So, the moment of truth, guys. Ayan na. Naluto na. Smells so good.
Smells so bad.
They're so excited kasi kakainin sila. Yeah. Yan, moment of truth. Magugustuhan ko ba o hindi? I don't know. But jeng, 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 jeng. Grabe guys, ate. Ingay mo, te.
Ayun na si Pag.
Jeng, 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 jeng.
Oh my God.
Ate, can't wait.
May dayon. Me, ah.
Me.
Gabi, ang anghang niya. But, kulang sa sweet. It's not that sweet. Murag ko ano siya, hot and spicy. Diba? It's not that sweet. What do you think? Too hot.
Kayo sweet.
Hindi kay sweet. It wasn't I expected, but I like it. Yeah. Yay! Thanks! Na may ano na. May ano, sweet and spicy na yung ano, payless. Weh! I have a new favorite. Yung yellow na, hindi na yung... Pero I still love the chili mansi. Yeah. I still, because I want my pancit to have something sour. Kasi. So, I think it's time to say goodnight na guys. Kasi, it's already 8:30 and I wanted to, you know, sleep early. Hopefully, I could sleep early. Kasi I need to wake up 4 a.m. tomorrow for a makeup appointment. Yeah, and I will be partnering with Nikki. Yeah, together again. So yun, so I'm just going to check again the things that I needed tomorrow. Yeah, I need to double check para walang maiwan. Yeah, because it makes me cringe a lot kung may maiwan. I'm still looking for my Fit Me concealer, but I cannot find it. I don't know where it go, guys. Basta all I remember is nasa bag ko na pang makeup. Yeah, but I couldn't find it and I decided to stop looking for it because it makes me crazy. So, so yun nga, grabe ang init. Super init. So, yeah, I'm gonna say goodnight now and I hope you have a wonderful day today as always, and always remember to be nice, be kind, and keep the smile, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!